Last but not least is number 5, and that's analytical insights. So this also sounds like fancy pantsy, but it's really not. It's you being able to track the success of your campaigns, and everybody's key metrics look different. So, yours could be that you're just looking at the amount of clicks that you receive to your website. It could be the impressions that you receive from a social post. It could be how many people opened your email or clicked a specific link that you sent inside of an email. So analytical insights are specific to your business, and it's really driven by the strategy that you have for your marketing. Welcome. Hey, go-getters. I'm Tanisha Halstead, the founder of Virtually Centered Solutions. I have a small business. You're a small business owner. You're probably wearing like millions of hats and trying to do everything yourself. Marketing automation is your secret weapon for streamlining your marketing efforts and feeling like you're freeing up some of that much needed time. Number 5 is analytic insights. Data doesn't sound exciting, but I'll tell you how that ties into marketing automation. It really helps to give you valuable insight, again, about your audience, about your clientele, and their preferences. So we don't want to be making content again to just make content. We want it to be able to provide like a return on its investment. And we're putting out our intellectual property, but we want it to have a return. So we want to make informed decisions. And with having analytics, you're able to track the success. You can see what type of posts are producing subscribers for you. If you're on YouTube, you can see what type of posts are creating more engagement. You can see, are people clicking your links if you're hosting an event? There's just different channels and different ways of you generating these analytics for you to get the most traffic and conversion. And really, we want to adjust our strategy. So when I first started my business, Instagram and Facebook was like it, the pretty much the go-to place to start with promoting because they're free. But what I realized after a certain point is that those places work for me, but most of my engagement is actually from LinkedIn because of the type of audience that I'm providing services for. I wouldn't have known that if we wouldn't have tracked the data. I wasn't very consistent with it as far as tracking the data. But over time, what I did was built out a simple Excel spreadsheet, put in some key metrics, like maybe it was based on the impressions, based on like how many followers or subscribers we would achieve for a certain time period. And then I would use that to track it over time. Now, with other people on our team now, we do have the capability to be more consistent and to track that information across all platforms. Kind of up-leveled a little bit and moved from an Excel sheet and into Airtable to where we created pretty much a content creation metrics hub. So that allows us to see across all our channels what's working, what's not working, so that we could use the analytics to make more informed decisions. It's not fun when we talk about analytics, but the results are exciting. Now, this is where the true value comes in of having time to do the effective and relevant tasks to drive that traffic and conversion. We went through the 5 ways you can use marketing automation to grow your small business. And in conclusion, I just really want to say it's a game changer for small business owners like us. We talk about freeing up time and making our marketing efforts more efficient. And this is how you can focus on growing your business and reaching your goals without doing the mundane, repetitive tasks. And so what do you think? Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level with marketing automation? I'm always cheering you on, wishing you the best. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks of how you can grow your small business using marketing automation. And we'll see you next time.